Mathematics 5. Measuring time. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to review the concept of time, add and subtract time, solve problems involving time. Time can be defined as the ongoing and continuous sequence of events that occur in succession, from the past through the present to the future. Time is used to quantify, measure, or compare the duration of events or the intervals between them, as well as sequence events. There are different units of time: second, minute, hour, day, week, month and year. These are the conversions between each unit of time. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 7 days is equal to 1 week. 12 months is equal to 1 year. 52 weeks is equal to 1 year. 365 days or 366 days make a year. 10 years make a decade. 50 years make half century. 100 years make a century. Adding and subtracting time. In adding and subtracting time, we add or subtract the similar units. Regroup and convert whenever necessary. Let's study the following examples. Example A: add 35 minutes 30 seconds and 10 minutes 40 seconds. To solve, add first the smaller unit, that is, 30 seconds plus 40 seconds, which equals to 70 seconds. Note that if the answer is 60 seconds or above, we convert it into minutes and seconds. So, 70 seconds is equals 1 minute 10 seconds. Carry over the 1 minute to the minutes column and write 10 in the seconds column, then add the minutes. That is, 35 minutes plus 10 minutes plus the 1 minute we carried over, which will equal to 46 minutes. Therefore, the answer is 46 minutes 10 seconds. Example B: add 5 hours 18 minutes and 3 hours 50 minutes. To solve, add first the minutes, that is, 18 and 50, which is equal to 68 minutes. Note that if the answer is 60 minutes or above, we convert it into hours and minutes. So, 68 minutes becomes 1 hour 8 minutes. Carry over the 1 hour to the hours column and write 8 in the minutes column. Then, add the hours, that is, 5 plus 3 and 1, which will give us 9 hours. Therefore, the answer is 9 hours 8 minutes. Example C: add 6 weeks 3 days and 4 weeks 4 days. To solve, add first the days, that is, 3 plus 4 equals 7 days. Note that if the answer is 7 days or above, we convert it into weeks and days. So, 7 days becomes 1 week. Carry over the 1 week to the weeks column and write 0 in the days column. Then, add the weeks, that is, 6 plus 4 plus 1, which will equal to 11 weeks. Therefore, the answer is 11 weeks. Example D: subtract 12 minutes 45 seconds from 15 minutes 20 seconds. To solve, subtract first the seconds. Since we cannot subtract 45 from 20, we borrow 1 minute. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so 20 plus 60 is 80 seconds. We can now subtract 45 seconds from 80 seconds. The result is 35 seconds. Write 35 in the seconds column. Then, subtract the minutes. That is 14 minus 12, which is equal to 2 minutes. Therefore, the answer is 2 minutes 35 seconds. Example E: subtract 5 years 8 months from 6 years 3 months. To solve, subtract first the months. Since we cannot subtract 8 from 3, we borrow 1 year. A year is equal to 12 months. So 3 plus 12 is 15 months. We can now subtract. 15 minus 8 is 7 months. Write 7 in the months column. Then, subtract the years. That is, 5 minus 5, which is 0. Therefore, the answer is 7 months. Calculating elapsed time or time duration. Sometimes, we want to find out the duration of an activity. We can calculate the duration or time elapsed if we know the starting and finishing time. Let's study the following examples. Example A, if a movie starts at 5 p.m. and ends at 7:45 p.m., how long does the movie last? To solve, subtract the starting time from the ending time. That is, 7:45 p.m. minus 5 o'clock p.m. Therefore, the movie is 2 hours 45 minutes. Example B, while going to his province, Miko traveled for 2 hours 30 minutes by bus and 45 minutes by jeepney. How much time did it take to reach his province? To solve, add the two duration of time that Miko traveled. That is, 2 hours 30 minutes and 45 minutes. Therefore, Miko traveled for 3 hours 15 minutes. Let's practice. Subtract 15 minutes 6 seconds from 17 minutes 7 seconds. The answer is 2 minutes 1 second. Add 12 years 5 months and 6 years 7 months. The answer is 19 years. Laika is 10 years 4 months old. Her mother is 35 years 6 months old. How old was her mother when Laika was born? Laika's mother was 25 years 2 months when she was born. Did you answer them all correctly? Great job!